Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Soil here, and today I want to teach you how you can trade on KuCoin. This is a complete beginner's guide and I'm going to explain every detail about spot trading on KuCoin. So I placed timestamps in the description of this video and you can directly go to the subjects you want to learn simply by clicking on them. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. When you log into your account, this is the page you see. This is actually the home page of your account and you can access to different parts of KuCoin platform from here. In the menu bar here, you can see we have trade, and when we hover on it, a sub menu appears including spot trading, margin trading, trading bot, and here also we have derivatives market, and we can trade in futures market, or we can trade leverage tokens, for example. In this video, the focus is on spot trading, and you're gonna learn how you can trade on the spot market of KuCoin, and in separate videos I will explain margin trading, trading bot, or trading in futures market, because explaining all these in one video will make it so long and may distract you to completely understand the concepts of each one. Just let me explain what spot trading is very shortly, and then we go to the spot trading platform. In a spot market, whatever the asset is, like commodity, currency pairs, securities, Bitcoin, whatever, they are traded for immediate delivery. For example, consider I have a Bitcoin and I want to sell it, and I'm interested to receive Tether in exchange of my Bitcoin. On the other hand, there must be a person who is looking for Bitcoin in exchange of his Tether. So I give my Bitcoin to him and he gives his Tether to me, and this is done immediately. The exchange between me with Bitcoin and the guy with Tether is done instantly, and I will have my Tether and that guy will have his Bitcoin immediately when the transaction is done, and the coins themselves are exchanged between us. In spot market, the actual coins are traded, but in derivatives market, for example in futures market, we buy or sell a contract, not the actual coin, a contract between buyer and seller for delivery of the coins in a future date, contract with expiry date, or it can be a perpetual future contract without expiry date. Or in margin trading, which is also a part of the spot exchange, we can borrow coins and then after trading we must repay our debt plus interest. I don't intend to talk more about margin trading or futures trading and what are the points of trading in those markets. Don't worry if you don't know anything about them, I'll completely explain them in separate videos. In this video, we're gonna learn spot trading, trading in the spot market of KuCoin, and just know that in the spot market we trade the actual coin, the coin themselves, for immediate and instant delivery. And in this market, if you want to trade a coin, you must have that coin. I'll explain this with examples and more details on the trading platform. Let's click on it. And here we go. We are on KuCoin spot trading platform now. First, let's take a look at the environment of the trading platform and see what we have. Here in the top of the screen, we have list of the coins and tokens and some information. Below that, we have price charts. Here we have order book, and here the recent trades. Here in the bottom right of the screen is actually where we place the orders and buy and sell the coins. And here below the chart is where we manage the positions, open orders, transactions, account information, and other stuff related to trading. Let me explain these different parts very shortly in more details, and then we start the actual trading stuff and how we place buy and sell orders. Alright, here in the top left of the screen, we have list of the coins and tokens. The coin that we want to trade, we must select from here. Please pay attention. Every asset that we trade here is in the form of a pair. We're gonna give something in an exchange of receiving something else. For example, right now BTC USDT Bitcoin to Tether is selected, which means that we can sell our Bitcoin and receive Tether, or we can buy Bitcoin with our Tether. We give one of them in exchange of the other. We can sell our Bitcoin, in other words we give our one Bitcoin and instead we receive 42,000 USDT. Or in the other way, if we have 42,000 USDT, we can buy one Bitcoin. So based on the trading pair that we select from here, we can do trading on the two components of the pair and exchange them with each other. For example, if I search Ethereum, ETH USDT, now I can do trading on these two components of this trading pair, Ethereum and Tether, and exchange them with each other. Let me close this. So here you search and select the trading pair that you want to trade on it. Here in the left part of the list, you can filter the result for easier access. Here you choose the second component of the pair actually. For example, the coins that are in terms of BTC or KCS, the KuCoin token in terms of altcoins and others. The most common ones with the highest trading volume is usually in terms of dollars. Actually the stable coins, USDT, USDC, DAI, based on the coin that you have in your account and the coin that you intend to exchange, you must select a pair from here. For example, right now I have USDT in my account and I want to trade Bitcoin, so I select BTC USDT. Also, if I want to trade Ethereum, simply I search it, ETH, and I must select ETH USDT. Why? Because I have Tether in my account. The pairs are shown on different tabs and you can close them or add them anytime you want. Here in the front of the pair that we choose, we have some information. The 10x that you see here attached to this pair is for margin trading. It actually shows that we can have leverage up to 10 on this trading pair. I'll explain this in another video on margin trading. Here it shows the price and the percentage of changes that it's had in the past 24 hours. Here's the highest price in the past 24 hours and this is the lowest price in this period. Here are the trading amounts and here the trading volume in terms of dollars in the past 24 hours. Here we have price chart, the price charts of the coin that we select here, which is BTC USDT right now, and the chart is showing the movements of Bitcoin price in terms of Tether. This is a candlestick chart and we can simply switch between different time frames from these time periods listed here, or we can access to more time frames from here. Here we can change the type of our chart. Right now it's candlestick chart, and for example we can change it to line chart simply by clicking on line, or any kinds of other chart type you prefer. Here we can undo and redo the changes we made on the chart, and here we can add indicators or other informations to the chart. For example, let's add MACD. Here it is, we simply click on it and it's added to the chart, and we can simply delete them by clicking on delete. Here we have some settings related to the appearance of the chart, and here we can switch to full screen mode, and you can exit full screen mode simply by escape button on your keyboard. And you can save an image of your chart or its URL, and you can also tweet it directly from here. Here in the left side of the chart, we have some tools for trading. For example, you can add different lines to your chart, and here's some tools for analyzing the charts like Fibonacci retracement levels, and here brush and some shapes, text, ruler, and other stuff that can be helpful for trading. This chart is actually from TradingView, so you must be familiar with the tools and options if you have worked on TradingView platform. Alright, here we have order book of Bitcoin in terms of USDT Tether. When you place an order to buy or sell, you will actually buy or sell from an order that is on the order book. And if the order doesn't exist, in other words, if no one is buying or selling at the price that you placed your order, so your order remains in this order book until someone buys or sells at your price. Actually, these are pending orders you see here in order book, and here by the help of this you can have a larger list of only pending selling orders or pending buying orders, as you can see. And the most recent completed orders on BTC USDT pair are shown here in the recent trades section. So here these are the most recent trades that are successfully completed. We can also have a graphical representation of the order book here by selecting this tab, market depth, which is actually a cumulative graph, and the green side shows pending buying orders and the red side shows pending selling orders. Here you can switch between day and night, and here you can set an alert. For example, you can add alert for a coin, for example when it crosses above or below a price. And here by the help of this you can have the news on top of the screen. Alright, now let's see how we place buy and sell orders in practice and how we manage the orders. Here we have some information about our trading account, and it shows that in our trading account we have USDT balance. Actually, the information shown here is based on the pair you select here. BTC balance 0, USDT balance 66. For example, if we select ETH USDT, here it shows ETH balance 0 and USDT balance 66. Let's switch to BTC USDT and continue with this trading pair. Alright, here is where we place our orders and buy or sell the coins or tokens. We are in the spot tab, and here also it shows our available balance for trading. For example, here it shows that we have 66 USDT for buying BTC, but we don't have any BTC available for selling. So first we must buy BTC and then we will have BTC available for selling. You can transfer coins or tokens into your trading account simply by clicking on this and transfer Bitcoin or any other coin or tokens from your main account or other accounts into your trading account. We also have transfer buttons here and also here, as you can see. So now BTC USDT is selected and we want to buy Bitcoin. To do this, we have different types of orders: limit order, market order, stop limit order, and stop market order. Each of them has their use cases and benefits, so you must understand what they are and how they can be helpful in different situations. Let's begin with market order. With the help of market order, you buy or sell quickly with the best current available price. What does this mean? This means that your buy or sell order will be executed instantly with the best available price here in pending orders in order book that are previously placed by other traders. So by the help of market order, you buy or sell at the current market price. Alright, let's place a market order and see how it works. Here, as I said, it shows how much Tether is available for buying Bitcoin. Here the price is set to best market price because we are placing a market order, and here in this box we enter the amount we want to buy. Actually, it's based on our available Tether. We can enter our desired amount of Tether that we intend to exchange with Bitcoin, or we can use these percentages to set the amount. For example, let's set 25% of our available USDT, which becomes 16.5 USDT. Here also it shows our trading volume, the amount of Tether that we're going to exchange with Bitcoin, the amount we're going to give and instead receive Bitcoin. We click on buy BTC and it's done. The order placed successfully and we bought BTC. And now here in our trading account, you can see that we have BTC balance. And here also you can see that now we have BTC available for selling. Please pay attention that we still have USDT. And again, we can buy Bitcoin or any other coin in terms of USDT. In other words, we can choose the pairs that are based on Tether, for example, ETH USDT, and buy Ethereum with our available USDT. And also because we have BTC available in our trading account, we can choose a trading pair based on BTC and trade on them with our BTC. For example, if we choose ETH BTC, we can buy Ethereum with our available BTC. Alright, now consider that the price of Bitcoin increased and we want to sell our Bitcoin and make some profit. So we go here in the sell part and we're going to place a market order. The price is best market price, and for the amount, consider we want to sell all our Bitcoin. So we click on 100%. So 100% of our Bitcoin will be sold. We click on sell BTC and done. Order placed successfully. We sold all our Bitcoin. We don't have Bitcoin balance anymore, as you can see. And this is our new USDT balance. Here also you can see that there is no Bitcoin available for selling, and this is our available USDT for buying Bitcoin. Please pay attention that generally market orders are used in situations when buying or selling and getting out of the position is more important than buying or selling it in a certain price, because you may pay higher prices because of slippage. If you don't know what slippage is the difference between the price you expect from a trade and the price that the trade is actually executed. For example, when the market is highly volatile and the Bitcoin price is falling sharply, you place a sell market order. But after that, you see that the price that the order is executed is lower than what you expected. So market orders are only used when you are in a rush and you want to quickly buy or sell and exit your position, no matter higher or lower price than what you expect. Alright, now let's place a limit order and see what it is, how it's placed, and in what situations it can be helpful. Limit order is not like market order that is executed quickly at the current price of the market. Limit order is a kind of pending order, and actually it's placed in order book, and it will be executed when the price reaches to the level you have specified. So when the price reaches to that specified price or a better price, your order will be executed. And this means that you can place a buy order lower than the current price of the market, or you can place a sell order higher than the current price of the market. Generally, limit orders are used when you don't want to get out of your positions quickly. By the help of limit orders, you can have better buying or selling prices, and traders usually place limit orders near support and resistance levels or their desired target prices. Let's see how we do it in practice. Consider we have analyzed the chart and we think that 40,000 is a strong support level, and we believe that it's a good price to buy Bitcoin. So we want to buy Bitcoin when the price reaches to 40,000. By the help of market order, we cannot do this because it buys at the current price of the market. But by the help of limit order, we are able to do this. We want to buy BTC when the price reaches to 40,000. So here in the price, we enter 40,000. And here we enter the amount we want to buy. For example, let's buy 0.001. And here it shows how much it costs to buy this much of BTC at this price, which is 40 USDT. This order is actually asking KuCoin to buy 0.001 BTC at 40,000 or a better price. Please pay attention that I said 40,000 or better price. We are buying, so better price is lower price. This means that even if the price suddenly falls below 40,000, our order will be executed at prices lower than 40,000. So this order tells KuCoin to buy at 40,000 or a better price. In other words, to buy it for me at 40,000 or lower than 40,000. We click on buy BTC and it's done. Order placed successfully. And here in the open orders tab, you can see that we have an open order. It's on BTC USDT. The type is limit order. It's a buy order at 40,000 and the amount is 0.001 BTC. And here it shows the filled and unfilled parts of this order in case if it's not completely executed and part of the order get filled. This is an open order. It's not executed yet. We don't have the Bitcoin yet. And this order is actually in the order book. And when the price reaches to 40,000, this order will be executed at 40,000 or a better price. And you can cancel this order anytime you want simply by clicking on cancel. And it canceled successfully. Please pay attention that limit buy order is placed below the current price of the market. Let me show you what happens if we place a limit buy order higher than the current price of the market. Let's set the price, for example, on 50,000 and the amount 0.001. And this order means buy 0.001 BTC at 50,000 or a better price. I click on buy BTC. And it's done. And as you can see, the order is instantly executed. No open order here. And 0.001 Bitcoin is already bought. Why? Because as I've already explained, a limit buy order means to buy at this price or a better price. We set the price to 50,000, which was higher than the current price of the market. Current price was a better price. So the order instantly executed at the current price of the market. So limit buy order is for when you want to buy lower than the current price of the market. And you must set the price in a way that is lower than the current price of the market. And limit sell order is for selling above the current price of the market. And we enter a price here that must be higher than the current price of the market. Limit sell order is actually take profit order, and it's used for selling your coins and taking your profit. Consider we have analyzed the chart and we think that we have a strong resistance level at 50,000 and we believe that the price will fall after hitting this level. So we want to sell our Bitcoin at 50,000. So here we enter 50,000. And for the amount, we want to sell all the Bitcoin we have. So we click on 100%. And this order is actually asking KuCoin to sell my Bitcoin at 50,000 or a better price. We click on sell BTC. And order placed successfully. And here in the open orders, you can see that we have a limit sell order and it will be executed at 50,000 or a better price. Please pay attention that we are selling and a better price is a higher price. So even if the price suddenly passes the 50,000, our Bitcoin will be sold at higher prices because by the help of this order, we are asking KuCoin to sell our Bitcoin at 50,000 or a better price, in other words at 50,000 or higher price. And please pay attention that limit sell order is for selling above the current price of the market. For example, if you set the price on 40,000, it will be executed instantly and your Bitcoin will be sold at the current price of the market. Why? Because the current price of the market is better than 40,000. So limit sell order is for when you want to sell higher than the current price of the market and you must set the price in a way that is higher than the current price of the market. As I mentioned earlier, limit sell order is actually take profit order, and by the help of this order you can sell your coins on the target prices you intend to sell. Alright, let me cancel this order. And let's see what stop limit order is, how we can place it, and in what situations it can help us. Stop limit order is a kind of a limit order, but here we have another setting that is called stop price, and it actually triggers the limit order. So here you set the stop price and then the price for limit order, and when the price reaches to the stop price, your limit order becomes active and goes to the order book. The main usage of stop limit order is for managing risk, setting stop loss orders specifically. For example, we have Bitcoin and consider we bought it at 42,000, and for managing risk and limiting our loss, we want it to be sold when the price reaches to 39,000 because we think if the 40,000 level is broken and the price reaches to 39,000, it can even go lower, and we want to limit our loss and sell our Bitcoin with this much of loss, not more than this. For doing this, we must place a stop limit order, stop limit sell order. We want to sell at 39,000, so we set the stop price at 39,000, and this is the trigger for the limit order that we want to set now. For the price of limit order, we must set it a little lower than the stop price. Why? Because when the market is highly volatile and the price is declining sharply, our order may not get entirely filled and our position may go to more loss. So by placing the limit price a little lower than the stop price, we can be sure that our order will get entirely filled when the price reaches to stop price. So we set it, for example, on 38,000. For the amount, I want to sell all my available BTC, so I click on 100%. I click on sell BTC and order placed successfully. And here in the stop orders tab, we have our stop limit order. So when the price reaches to 39,000, a limit sell order at 38,000 or a better price will be triggered and goes to the order book. Please pay attention that the limit sell order will be executed at 38,000 or a better price. So if the market is not very volatile and falling of the price is not sharp, it will be executed somewhere equal or near to 39,000 because we are selling and this is a better price. As I mentioned earlier, this is a stop loss order, and by setting a order like this, you can be sure that you will not lose more than what you intend, and you can simply cancel this order anytime you want. We can also set a stop limit buy order. It is useful when we believe that if the price reaches to, for example, 50,000, after that the price will advance more and go higher. So we want to buy Bitcoin when the price reaches to 50,000. With limit buy order, we cannot do this, but with stop limit buy order, we can do it. We set the stop price on 50,000 and the price for limit order a little higher than 50,000, for example 51,000. So we can be sure that our order will get entirely filled in the case that the price is advancing sharply. Stop limit buy order is not very common and useful in spot trading, trading in spot market, and the more useful one is the stop limit sell order, which can be used as stop loss order. Stop limit buy order is more useful in margin trading and futures market, where you can set it as a stop loss for short positions. Another version of stop limit order is stop market order, and the difference is that here you only set the stop price, and when the price reaches to the stop price, a market order will be executed. Actually, your order will be executed instantly with the best price of the market. Everything is similar to stop limit order and the use cases are also similar, but a market order will be triggered, and also it can be used like limit orders, with the difference that it will be executed with the best available price of the market, not the specified or better price. Actually, with stop market order, you can place selling order above the current price of the market or below the current price of the market. You can place a buy order above the current price of the market or below the current price of the market, and it will be executed with the current price of the market when it's triggered. The only drawback is that with stop market orders, you don't have such control on what price the order is going to be executed, and the order will be filled with the best market price, and sometimes you see that it's lower or higher than what you expected, and it causes more loss for you, especially when the market is volatile and is rising or falling sharply. But with limit orders and stop limit orders, you have more control on your orders and you have some options to select also. Here we have advanced settings. With time enforced settings, you can set predefined amount of time that your orders remain active. By selecting good till cancelled, your order will remain active until it's entirely filled, or you cancel it. For example, if part of your order is filled and part of that not filled, the unfilled part remain active until it's filled, or you cancel it. And by selecting good till time, the order will remain effective until the time you specify here. Or by selecting immediate or cancel, your order will be executed entirely or partially, and if part of your order executed and part of that not executed, the unfilled part of your order will be cancelled. And by selecting fill or kill, your order must be filled entirely immediately. If it cannot be filled entirely, your order will not be executed at all. Here also we have post only option, which if you select it, your orders will always be added to order book first, and then it will be executed against an existing order. By doing this, you only pay maker fees, which are lower than taker fees, and it can have benefits for you. And by hidden option, your order will be hidden by default and it will not be displayed to other traders in order book. Or by setting display quantity, you can display parts of the order. So as you can see, with limit orders and stop limit orders, we have more control on our orders, and we have some advanced settings for exactly determining how the order should be executed. I've already explained every detail about KuCoin spot trading platform, and I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next episode, and good luck with your trading.